In this video, I'm going to teach you how to compare positive rational numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says which sign makes the statement true, so we have a fraction here and we need to figure out if it's less than, greater than, or equal to this number, which is a mixed number. So let's um, I'm going to teach you some of the tricks about some of these fractions. So step one is notice that 244 over 577 is a proper fraction. You're probably asking yourself, well, these are huge numbers. Well, it doesn't matter because 244 over 577, this is smaller than the denominator, right? So the denominator is larger. And that means that the value of this is less than 1. That means it's just a fraction close to 2/5, you could see here. Okay? Even though the numbers are enormous, you can even put it in a calculator and see that it comes out to about 2/5, close to it. So step 2, we notice that 23 and 3/4 is a mixed number. Well, this value is much larger than 1. It is greater than 23, but less than 24. It's 23 and 3/4. This number is less than 1. So we know that 244 over 577 is less than 23 and 3/4. And those are all the tricks that you need to know how to do this type of problem. And don't worry if you didn't get that, just rewatch the video. You're probably one explanation away from getting it. As well, you could take a look at the description. I have a link there to my ebook. You can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. There's a link that'll take you right to this video. As well, take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.